every December for the 25 days leading into Christmas is the advent of code, where they give you 2 coding challenges per day to try to solve as a bit of a fun little project. So this is my solution to day 1, problem 1. I'm using Node.js and JavaScript, in which I have this full input.txt file full of all these numbers that they gave you. There's a left column and a right column. And what we're tasked to do is combine all the numbers on the left column and all the numbers on the right column. We need to sort them into ascending order. And then we need to compare each number to each other in the 2 lists, seeing what the differences are between them, the sum of the differences. And then we add up all those differences together, and that's basically our answer. So the way I did this was I first processed this text file, reading line by line. And what I do is I map through each of the fields, which I split up between any spaces that are between the 2 right here. So the first field is the first number, and the second field is the second number, and I convert it from a string to a number. And then I put them both into their own lists. That's an async function, which I'm calling here. So I have the first list and the second list. So now that I have them, I need to sort them. So JavaScript, this is how you sort into ascending order. It's a little weird, but that's how they do it. And then I initialize this sum of differences. So what I'm doing first is I'm grabbing the first list and I'm mapping through every single one of the values in the array. And whatever index it is, I am finding the corresponding value on the other list. And I compare them. So I take the first value minus the second value. I take the absolute value of them because it doesn't matter if it's a positive or negative number. I just need to know how different they are. And then I add them to the sum of differences. So if I were to run this, go here and run, we can see that my total sum of differences between the 2 lists is 2,970,687. So that's what I got for my answer. I'm curious to see how you did it, but if you have any suggestions, let me know. On to the next one.